Hello Scratchers, and in this tutorial part 2 of how to make a Flappy Bird game in Scratch 3.0, I'm going to show you how to make a game over screen and a background. First, let's make the background since it's the easiest. Go to Backdrops, Upload Sprite, and click Mountains. The mountains are already pre-made for you, so you can use it in any way you want. Make a rectangle with the rectangle tool at the bottom corner and send it to back with this back button. Okay, go to code. We don't need any code for this, so go to choose a sprite and paint. This will be the game over screen. So make a big square, make it red, and make it a little bit darker. And let's go to text and make the text absolutely white. Okay, now let's type game over and let's make it a bit bigger. Now go to code and drag out the when green flag clicked. Now we want to go to motion and drag out the go to X, Y block. Okay, and we want the sprite to actually hide. So go to looks, hide, and press the green flag. So as you can see, it hides. Let's go to bird. We want it to broadcast a new message. So go to events, broadcast, and put it in the die block at the very bottom. Now let's click new message and type game over. Okay, now go to the game over sprite and drag in a when I receive die block. Now click the drop down menu and set it to game over. Now we want it to show. Okay, as you can see, I'm testing it out, flapping, boom, he dies. But it isn't in the 0. That's because I didn't set it to 0. There. Now it should work. In the next tutorial, you will be making a zombie shooter game.